A common misconception is the tear shape of raindrops. Thus, the tear-shaped cartoon drops are a myth. Once a parcel cools and condenses into clouds, precipitation forms. Clouds start out as very small raindrops, less than 1 millimeter in diameter, and are spherical at first. Larger drops have higher terminal velocity than smaller drops. As they descend, they collide with smaller drops. When droplets merge, it is called coalescence. As raindrops increase in size, the velocity increases, and thus the wind resistance at the bottom of the drop increase. The bottom of the drop flattens. As the drop becomes large, the surface tension becomes too much. As a result, the drop breaks apart into smaller spherical droplets. Thus, smaller droplets are spherical and larger droplets are flatter. Keep in mind this is on a microscale.